Hey guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. Today, I made something super cute, a clay reindeer. I used colorful clay to make its tiny antlers, little legs, and a sweet nose. Look how adorable it turned out. Wow! Making this reindeer was so much fun, and I think you'll love trying it too. You can awe your favorite colors, little decorations, or even make a whole reindeer family. Once you make your clay reindeer, don't forget to come back and tell me in the comments how yours turned out. I can't wait to see all your creative ideas. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more fun DIY projects. Hey, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.